turn some Black Snake's fireworks on right now. So yeah, let's check it out. It's gonna be so cool. Look at these. We like turned them on. So here, Kayla, actually you with that because you're like going. Okay, here's one. And you're gonna need a lighter.
Be careful, guys. You might burn yourself.
Yeah. That looks like so funny. So it looks like if its eyes are popping out. There. Whoa! What's wrong? What happened? There, it's growing. It's going down. Oh, I fell. Oh wait, no, it's still hanging right there.
Let me hold it.
No, it's alright. Look at the snake. It's like so cool.
Yeah, but
Let me try to-
I will go down.
Whoa, Bella!
What?
Look at y'all see like the snake going out. It's like so cool.
Put the little one. You make me lift the little one.
Turn off the light. I mean, turn on. Oh. So yeah, we have one more to go. We had 6 of them.
Yeah, we just like wasted one.
Yeah. And until I thought about making a video about this because it's like so cool.
We barely thought about that.
Well, actually, me, Kayla. Y'all were on my phone. So here's another one.
It's ugly. Oofa. It was like poo-poo.
Ooh, it smells so bad. Look at all that.
Really, it's not already. Is this supposed to go more?
Yeah?
My nose hurts already.
Oh, my hand. I got burned with the fire.
It's pooping.
Bella, it's poop.
What's true? Because then you make eyes right in the mouth and then she's white.
Ew, Kayla. Wow.
And
Stop.
then she'll show that he's poopy. And that's super weird. Oh, this is a hot thing. Everybody
Look
does
at all
about
that.
poop, right?
Yeah, somebody's pooping. Let me try to keep on turning it on and see what happens. Whoa. Kayla, move out of there. You're like smelling all that.